Teacher, may I get some water?
We'll have a break in 10 minutes, Alex.
Can I get some then?
Yes, you can, Alex.
I'm really thirsty now.
If you can't wait, then go get some, dear.
I think I can wait a few minutes.
Thank you, Alex.
Teacher, may I sharpen my pencil?
We'll be starting our writing activity in a few minutes, Sophia.
Can I sharpen it then?
Yes, you can, Sophia.
But it's really broken.
If it's broken, then go sharpen it, dear.
I think I can use it for now.
Okay, Sophia.
Teacher, may I borrow an eraser?
We'll be doing some drawing later, Bella.
Can I borrow one then?
Yes, you can, Bella.
I need one right now.
If you need it now, then ask your neighbor, dear.
Okay, I'll ask.
Good, Bella.